Intel RealSense D415. Honest review. Is this depth camera worth it? Have you ever fine-tuned a three-dimensional scan for hours, only to end up with a mesh full of holes and distorted edges that make your data worthless? I have been there, swapping cables, restarting the SDK, adjusting every setting, getting nowhere. Drop a comment if that sounds familiar, because you are definitely not alone, and things are about to get much clearer. There is a real knot-in-stomach feeling when your depth data keeps failing before a critical deadline. You try cheaper sensors, wider cameras, even ignore the noise and hope nobody notices. None of it sticks. The good news is, fixing this does not mean adding complexity. It means choosing one smarter, more precise tool that quietly handles the hard part for you. Don't just pick any depth camera. Make sure it has a narrow, high pixel density field of view so you never suffer through noisy, void-riddled three-dimensional scans destroying your accuracy again. That one realization led me directly to the Intel RealSense depth camera D415. Here is what surprised me. This camera uses active stereoscopic infrared technology with dual IR sensors and an onboard IR projector, boosting depth perception even in low light without any external help. Depth resolution hits up to 1280 by 720 at 90 frames per second, so point clouds update smoothly in real time. The narrower 69.4 degree horizontal field of view is not a weakness. It is exactly why you get higher pixel density per degree, meaning cleaner meshes, tighter dimensional accuracy, and far fewer voids. The integrated 1080p RGB sensor streams synchronized color and depth over a single bus-powered USB 3.1 connection. The onboard vision processor D4 handles all depth calculations in hardware, keeping your CPU free. A researcher was finishing a late-night facial motion capture session before a morning submission deadline. Their previous sensor kept throwing artifacts. They switched to the D415, ran the high-accuracy preset, and the RMS error dropped below 1 millimeter. Submitted on time with data they fully trusted. After consistent daily use, something genuinely shifts in how you work. You stop second-guessing depth data. You stop running redundant verification passes. You start trusting your scans the first time, and that saved time compounds fast across a research project or production pipeline. A 2024 IEEE Access comparative study evaluated 4 RGBD sensors under ISO standard conditions and specifically identified the D415 for superior close-range three-dimensional reconstruction. Peer-reviewed validation, not marketing copy. A robotics-focused technical reviewer noted that for controlled range environments, the D415's precision window combined with 1280 by 720 resolution and USB simplicity makes it a compelling alternative to far costlier LiDAR setups. An industrial scanning engineer with over a year of daily use reported fewer voids, less distortion, and more consistent measurements across repeated runs compared to the D435. If switching effort or learning curve worries you, let me be honest, the D415 is a developer tool, not a plug-and-play webcam, so expect a small but manageable ramp-up period. That said, the open-source RealSense SDK 2.0 supports Windows, Linux, and macOS, with Python, C++, and ROS supports, and most lab teams report RGBD alignment works right out of the box, with only minor adjustments. Are you currently using a depth sensor you actually trust, or are you still quietly compensating for its limitations? The Intel RealSense depth camera D415 turns unreliable, noisy depth data into clean, sub-millimeter accurate three-dimensional scans you can genuinely build on. Thousands of researchers, robotics developers, and engineers are already using this depth camera as their trusted precision sensing tool. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment below. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and results will naturally vary. Take your time, explore it properly, and make the call that fits your workflow. I am genuinely rooting for you.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.